Hello everyone, Big Game out here, back again with another hotel video. This time we are at the Greene King Inns. Yeah, I was thinking it was going to be like a pub with a hotel above it, but no, there's a pub and there's a hotel. So yeah, let's go check in. So yeah, here is the Churchill bedrooms by Greene King. And there's the pub. And Karen can smell manure because we're in the countryside. Does it smell good, Karen?
It reeks.
Oh, good. Let's go check in.
We're in 24.
What room are we?
24.
Oh,
I like that number.
it's quite a nice little hotel, this.
You know that was my lucky number. Do you have a lucky number out?
Nah.
No?
What do you think of the hotel?
Yeah, that's quite modern.
Fancy staying the night. Yeah, look. greenkinginns.co.uk.
You smell like a wooden smell.
It's probably new. It looks like a new hotel.
It smells like wood or polish. It smells nice though.
Right, let's go check out the room.
Please be aware.
And here we are, our room. You only got to tap it. We're in. Let's go see what it's like inside here. Ooh. Put some lights on. Oh, this looks nice.
Oh yeah, got some tiny seats.
Got a nice little bit to hang your coat up. As you can tell, this is the first time coming in. Let's start with the bathroom this time. So we've got, I don't know what the point of this is, but it's a tiny little shower blocker. There's me. Toilet, a sink, soap dispensers. Just basic stuff what you see in most hotels. Quite like the design though, very nice. Got a bit of mould I can see up there. Oh, what's that? Oh, we've got some mould on the ceiling. Bit of mould on the ceiling. What's the bedroom like?
It's a nice big bed.
Oh.
A nice little modern.
So you've got a nice little mirror when you walk in with a... Oh, you've got an ironing board.
I've got an ironing board.
And a hairdryer.
And stuff.
That's quite nice.
Oh, extra pillows up there. You
Extra
want
pillows.
pillow, don't you?
Yeah.
I've only got one
For my
myself.
fat head, I need an extra pillow. You've got some coat hangers. So you've got this. Oh, we've got a nice big size TV. That looks quite nice.
That's
Little
quite a
lamp.
modern, wardrobe unit, isn't it? It's like a sideways on.
Yeah,
It's
strange.
Just to save space, though, isn't it?
Don't really notice it. Two little
Yeah.
side bits.
Yeah.
Very nice in here.
Different, isn't it? It's nice.
Very modern.
I like it.
Somewhere to put your case. Teas and coffees. Got some twinings.
Over here as well for the restaurant and the breakfast menu.
Coffees.
Just eyeing it up, having a look what I'm going to
bin.
have tomorrow.
Kaz is already checking out the menu. Look at her.
Hotel breakfast
Yeah.
tomorrow morning.
We've got a lovely view of the main road and my car just there. I won't show you the registration.
Sounds good, Alan.
Yeah. And a nice big double bed, or is that a bit bigger?
I think it's a bit bigger than a double, to be honest.
Could be a king.
Because there's a little gap in the middle.
It is the
Like,
Greene King.
it's a
Bedside
Greene
table.
king-size bed, yeah.
Yeah, bedside table and a little seating area where Kaz has found herself.
I have. I'm planting myself in the seat.
And a
Shower.
weird picture on the wall of like some pipe work.
Yeah, I think it's like pipe work or cogs or something.
Maybe it's like original like beer.
Oh yeah, it could be.
Yeah,
It
very-
looks like a tap.
Oh, and more importantly, I've just spotted air conditioning. Oh, I quite like the design.
Oh, the
I like that
spotlights,
wood. Do you not like that wood there?
Yeah, I love it. It's really
Like the
nice.
stained coloured wood.
Yeah.
And then very nice modern wood on this side.
And the modern spotlights in the ceiling are good.
Well, yeah, so we're in this room here. We've got breakfast here in the morning. I'll say there's a pub next door. So we're going to get ourselves ready. We're going to go and get a drink. In the lobby, got a little seating area. Little bits to go to. And a little machine with a few bits on it. As well as the reception area. And here is the menu for the pub next door. The Churchills. Greene King pub, so you've got some starters. Give you a rough idea of prices. And the grill. Because it's made it's hot, so you're going to go get a nice soft drink to start with. Some roasting.
Nice ice cold water of ice cubes and
if you come here early enough, you get lunch. Monday to Friday between what was it? Only until 5 PM. Guess it starts about midday. But that ain't bad. And then the best part of all, desserts.
we do love our desserts.
And a little coffee, a hot drink. And they also do Sunday roasts. And brunch. Here's the pub, the Churchill. It's quite nice. Oh, hot sunny day.
We go that side or that side, it says hotel this.
Well, it's time to go down for breakfast, but someone's not quite ready yet. How long are you going to be?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes, then we can go down and get some food.
Yeah.
Hopefully we make it in time because they stop serving at 9.
It's only 8:10.
Well, you say 5 minutes, that could be 50 minutes.
No, it won't be.
We might miss it. Right, we'll see you down at breakfast. So, just quickly while Kaz is getting ready, I'll just show you the breakfast menu. So, it's £10. We managed to get a special deal where we got 2 for 1. So we only paid a tenner for the both of us, £5 each. But you get one cooked breakfast choice and then the continental breakfast. So you get a choice of any of these, plus you get all of the continental for free basically. Well, unless you just want the continental, then it's $6.99 just for that. And if you've got a young'un, they've got some lovely stuff there. But yeah, that is the menu, looks good. Let's go down and get it.
Breakfast in the restaurant, isn't it?
Loads of deli stuff. Breakfast is here, I've got a full English. And Kaz has got a dessert.
Pancakes.
What else are you eating there?
I'm eating a muffin and I've got a little pastry here as well.
Yeah,
A cup of tea.
told you she only eats sweet stuff. Everyone there getting dinners.
Hey, that's not always true.
Lovely though.
It does look.
So here we are, we're about to check out this lovely Greene King Inns hotel. Now I've stayed at a Greene King's before, so has Kaz,
Yeah.
and it was a bit different to this one because the hotel was actually above the bar, so it was a bit more louder.
Yeah.
So this one with its separate property, I don't know if this is their plan going forward or whether this is because it's a new one and they had a bit of land. But yeah, it's quite nice, it's all new and modern. But yeah, just been for breakfast. But we're going to pass it over to Kaz now before I tell you how much this all cost.
Yeah.
And Kaz is going to give you her review.
Yeah. So basically we stayed here last night for one night and it was a really nice hotel. It's really clean, it's quite new looking. The interior is quite new looking, I'm not sure about the building, how old that is. But it's really nice and modern and clean. And it's got a nice sort of fresh wood smell. I don't know if it's I don't know if you can see it behind me, the wood on the walls here, or whether it's these wooden sort of modern looking wardrobes. But it's a really nice hotel. There is only a few little minor faults, but they're only minor. One of the faults is the toilet seat is a little bit loose. So when you sit on it, you sort of end up spinning to the left or the right. That's only minor. And the other fault is it's only got a rainfall shower. So it's no good if you don't want to wash your hair, because obviously you're going to just get your hair soaked completely under the rainfall shower. So it could maybe benefit from a shower hose as well, so you've got both options. But again, it's only a minor fault. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd give it 9 out of 10.
What about the breakfast though?
And the breakfast, I'd give 8.5 out of 10.
You didn't even eat it.
I did.
You said it was horrible.
I had a continental breakfast.
What about the pancakes though?
The pancakes weren't all that great, if I'm honest. They didn't have much flavour to them, and the clotted cream ice cream wasn't very nice. But that's just me. I'm not very a big lover of clotted cream ice cream.
No.
But other than that, 9 out of 10 for the hotel, and 8.5 out of 10 for the breakfast.
And a good dinner last night as well.
Oh yeah, we had dinner last night in the restaurant, in the Greene King pub restaurant. I had gammon, egg and chips. It was really tasty. Although I couldn't eat a lot of it. I felt a bit.
What about the dessert though?
I felt a bit stuffed. I couldn't eat a lot. Oh yeah, the dessert was really tasty. What was it called? Cookie something.
No, it's like a giant cookie.
Cookie dough. It was like cookie dough.
Like a great
with
big
ice
massive
cream.
baking tray with ice cream on top.
Yeah, it was like in a skillet, like a skillet baking tray. Cookie dough, ice cream, Maltesers, a Twix, and loads of chocolate sauce and honeycomb pieces. It was delicious.
Oh, I could have eaten that whole thing to myself.
Yeah, it was a sharing one. You could have let the whole one to himself.
It was nice.
It was tasty.
So yeah,
Very nice.
Overall, Greene King, definitely a great option. Whether it will be when I tell you the price in a minute, because there are a few other more budget hotels that offer the same sort of stuff for a fraction of the price. But yeah, so yeah, we stayed here for one night. You got free parking. We're out over near Swindon, so this is the Churchill one.
Yeah, Wootton Bassett, I think it's called, isn't it? This area.
Royal Wootton Bassett, is it? Something like that.
Wootton Bassett, I think, and it's
Yeah,
in
got-
Swindon Road.
It's got a royal part at the front.
Churchill Hotel.
But anyway, yeah. So yeah, you get your free parking here. There's nothing around here. It's literally, there's a main road outside. There's nothing nearby.
No, that's not
So,
a great deal.
You're lucky there's a pub there, so that was good.
Yeah.
The drinks were nice in there. Had a few last night.
Mhm.
But yeah, overall, if you want to come and stay here, the price of the room was £80. And then it's meant to be £10 each for breakfast. But they had a special deal where they was offering the breakfast 2 for 1. So we paid £90 in total with breakfast included.
Very good value.
I don't know, I reckon there's more. We didn't pay that much. No, we paid about the same price to stay in the Hilton.
Did we? Okay.
Yeah. We didn't
Was
get
it
breakfast.
good?
We had to pay for the breakfast on top of that. But
Yeah, it was a good sized breakfast. It was very filling. I couldn't eat anymore.
but yeah, for the price of it and being in the middle of nowhere, I don't know if it's good value for money, but
I think it is.
I don't really know what this area is like, whether this is an average price of a hotel around it. Who knows?
Yeah.
But yeah, overall I've enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was good.
Give this hotel probably a solid 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Good night's sleep, bed was comfy,
Mm.
and plenty of plug sockets in it for Kaz.
Oh yeah, put it plug sockets as well, which is always handy for your things to charge up and your devices and your phone and that.
Alright, so we don't know what hotel we're going to go to next. I've got some Vegas videos coming up, then we're off to Benidorm. Kaz
Yeah.
ain't going to Vegas, sadly. She's
No, I'm
very
not going to
upset.
Las Vegas, sadly. He's going without me.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll have some Vegas videos. We've got a hotel video planned for that as well. And some other videos. And we've got Benidorm hotel video and Benidorm videos planned.
In October.
But yeah, we'll try and squeeze in some more little one nights away here and there where we can.
Yeah.
But yeah, this has been Greene King Inns.
Churchill Hotel, yeah.
Churchill Hotel, yeah. Can't get my words out. Greene King Inns.
Greene King Inn Hotel.
Yeah. It's not hotel, it's just Greene King Inns.
Oh, okay. Greene King Inn.
Right, so yeah, thank you all for watching.
Thank
And
you
as
for
always,
watching.
we will catch you in the next one.
Bye for now. Bye.
Bye for now.